Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still a big believer that this is going to go up and make a ABC of wave Y. We already got the A. I think this is the B, and I think we need to go up for a wave C to complete this WXY pattern. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do believe that this is very likely a wave 1. I think this is very likely a wave 2. I still think, especially looking at these higher time frames, that this is likely to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5, just like what I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily, I mean, we definitely have a pretty significant turn down, but you will notice that we are back up at these highs. Definitely a pretty likely area for a pullback. Now it definitely does have three waves up, and it always could just keep on trending down. We cannot rule that out as a possibility. But I am still a big believer that this move down is actually just a correction to this last move up. I think this is likely to make a higher low, and I think it is likely to just keep on continuing to make those higher highs, higher lows on this daily time frame. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely pretty strong down, but like I said, with all those highs on the daily, I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't make a strong move down. I would definitely be keeping an eye on these fib levels. I do not think that it's probably going to end today. It's probably something that's more likely to happen later on this week, if at all. But if we do get that 3, 4, 5 shape, if you do get that break of start to add a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely stop looking for shorts, and I would definitely start looking for longs again. But you do have to be cautious because, like I said, there is always a chance that it just keeps going down. There is always a chance that this is actually an ABC correction and it just keeps on trending down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm still looking at this as impulsive down, possibly a wave A or a wave 1. I would still look at this as possibly a wave B or a wave 2. I still suspect that it is a wave A and a wave B, but I always label things like this so that way I leave it open to interpretation and I let the market tell me. I would say that this is likely a 1, this is likely a 2, and that this is likely in a wave 3 right now. So most likely we're in a wave 3 of C or we're in a wave 3 of 3. If it is a wave 3 of 3, then it would most likely just bounce off fib levels and continue to make lower lows, lower highs. If it is a wave 3 of C, then it would most likely bounce off a fib level, make a double bottom, make that 3, 4, 5 shape, make a breaker start to add a Fibonacci level, proving that it really is a wave C, and that would be an entry to go long for me for the continuation of the uptrend. So the best thing right now is to be learning whether this is a wave 3 or learn whether this is a wave C. Hopefully learn and earn at the same time by being short or looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.